Hey guys, so today I have a quick tip for you, and this is gonna be on how to install a gate latch, and also I'm gonna explain how to install a gate latch pole, which is a separate part that you buy it when you have a door that's over 4 foot high. You don't want to go on top and trying to reach on the other side to be able to open the door. So to install this gate latch is pretty simple. Basically, you're gonna, depending on the center of this, you're gonna center this piece with this piece, both sides, even if it's 1/8 on either side, 1/4, depending on how big the gap is. So what we did is we installed this piece with this 4x4 in here, so it looks good on all these lines, but it can be a little bit higher or a little bit lower. It cannot be any lower than 49 inches, which is the East Hampton code on my area. So it's got to be 49 inches or above. All right, so once you get these two pieces in, and then you're gonna install this one. It has the instructions in here, but if you want to see it how we do it, here we go. So what you do is you take a drill bit on this side. Let's come on this side. All right, so you got this part in here, which is a little bit bigger than 5/8. You need a 5/8 hole for this one to go through, but since this one is 6x6, this barely reaches out both sides. So what we had to do is we had to do a bigger hole in here in order to put this one in here. Like, let me show you how it goes. So as you can see it, you can turn this in here, and it gets into the wood a little bit to give enough for this other side, because it barely reaches. Without doing the bigger hole, you won't be able to make it work, but we already used this one, and now we can go ahead and turn this nut on this other side. By the way, I forgot to let you know that where to define where to drill this hole, it depends on this thing. Once you install this thing, you hold it like that, and then you do a pencil mark, and then you go through. So that will help the function of this part. So after you got that, you're gonna connect this in here. Pretty tight, just with the hand. You don't want to break because it's a plastic piece. And then gonna get this in here. And you got these two little parts in here. You're gonna take this one and go like this. Hold this one tight down right there, and then you're gonna have something to crank this thing pretty tight. Alright, so after you do that, you're gonna break the extra piece in here. It's a little harder than I thought. Almost there. All right, finally, after you cut that up, and then you're gonna put this little rubber piece in here so you don't scratch in here and get hurt because of these things. You just put this rubber piece in here, nice and tight, and then this is the function of this when you are on the other side. All right, so now let's see how it works with the door. So this is on this side. When you are on this side, obviously you just press in here and then you get in. But when you are on the other side, just there. And if you want to get in, you cannot reach up here, or you don't want to go guessing where it is. So you just pull this one here, and that's it. Alright guys, so I hope that tip helps. I'm just starting doing some videos. As you can see, I'm not that it's not that I'm not confident, but it's just a little bit difficult to start with these videos. As we go, I'll get better with my English, and I'll get better on doing the videos as well. Thanks, have a great day.